All right, everybody, check this out. So I'm on my way home and it's single file line. I'm stuck behind these two Harley guys and then the road opens up to two lanes. So I go in the right lane to go to pass them, right? And we're going through this intersection you're about to see and a car just pulls out. It doesn't pull out super fast and like cut the Harley guy off or anything. But what does the Harley do? He freaking goes like dramatic, like drama queen, like oh my God, so he goes really aggressive past him, pulls out in front of him, starts weaving back and forth, slamming on his brakes. You could see the car having to slam on the brakes. I just made a video about road rage I'm releasing next Wednesday about a Tesla just ran into the back of this dude and killed him. What if that car was like, you know what? Oh, you want to be stupid? And just accelerated, ran over the Harley and just killed him. Why would you do that? Just do what I did. Watch, you'll see in the video. I just accelerate, lane split, and just get the hell away from these people. The car, the bikes, just get away from everybody. I assume everybody's drunk and stupid. But this is the perfect example. This dude should not be riding a motorcycle. If you can't control your emotions and you just get so pissed off, pulling right in front of a car, slamming on your brakes, downshifting, making the car, they're just gonna accelerate and run you over. It is the perfect example of what not to do. This guy just thinks he owns the road and just everybody's supposed to, no matter what's going on, even if someone does pull out in front of you, it's a little bit too close, so what? Make a lane change, just go away. You don't wanna freak out and just start screaming at people and it's such a horrible example of a motorcyclist and it makes everybody look bad. I see this stuff all the damn time. People just punching mirrors and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. And that's why cars are like, you know what? Screw it. You want to punch my mirror? You want to slam on the brakes in front of me? Maybe I'll just run your stupid ass over. And that's this guy's lucky he didn't get ran over and destroy his stupid Harley because his car turned out like they were supposed to do. This turned out normally. You could even see there's nothing dramatic. It wasn't a fast turn, and there was two lanes. If it was really close enough, the Harley guy could have swerved to his left to get around it, but he didn't have to do that. He just wanted to be an a-hole and pull out in front of him and do all this kind of crazy stuff. Do not do anything like this. This is horrible, horrible, horrible. This rider should not have a license at all. Just perfect example of the worst type of motorcyclist. So don't be that guy. Something happens, just accelerate. Just get away from people. Don't engage, remain calm, and just go away. Lane split, change lanes, get off the highway, turn the road. Just get away from people. Don't engage with them, especially with the car. You're not gonna win. All the car has to do is hit you, run you over, bump into the back of your tire, and you're down. I don't care whose fault it is. If you're dead, you're dead. What difference does it make? Just don't engage. And if you're this type of rider, sell your bike. You are the worst type of person and you make everybody look bad and you have no business being on a motorcycle.